Can you drive it over that that brick? Drive it over the brick. Why is only one side moving? That's awesome. Hey, drive over that brick. That one. Turn right 90 degrees and drive over that brick. Just drive up with a corner. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, I'm going to move it and I want a straight run at this. Okay, back over it. Do that like several times. Careful, Taylor, it's merciless. Hey, run over Taylor's foot. Keep actuating the scooper. Move forward. Stop that noise, eh? I'm Plumber Bob and I'm mad as hell. That's a nice construction sound. It's moved it about 6 inches actually. You can see where it started. See, it started here, it ended here, and it started there. Oh, nice. Yeah. That's got some ballast. Think of a world ruled with robots that carry large bricks and shove things around. Yeah, so you can see it shoved. Okay, Taylor, why don't you reorient the brick so it's not digging in?
No, this is good. This is exactly what happened in the competition.
Oh, yeah? Well, why don't you just try flattening it out and see how far it can push it in one go?
But I mean, this is what we want to know is that number there.
Yeah.
That's what the foot. So I think it's possible that the
Hey, hit it one more time, though. Keep going. Actuate the shovel. Working.
You gotta slowly map it out.
No, it is digging. Do it again. Go for a run.
Yeah, that's exactly next thing that we
Back it up. Go for a long